Good morning everybody. Today inshallah we will talk about adding and subtracting fraction. We learned before what is the meaning of the fraction and how can we read the fraction, and also last session we took comparing and ordering a fraction. And as we know that the fraction is the part of a whole. So let's make a revision about comparing a fraction. As we said yesterday, if we have here 4/9 and 5/9. How can we compare it? Which one is the greater fraction? 4/9 or 5/9? We said that if we have the same denominator, we look at the greatest denominator. So which denominator is the greater? 4 or 5? Of course 5 is greater than 4. So 5/9 is the greatest fraction here. Today inshallah we will add and subtracting fraction. What about adding and subtracting fraction? At first, if we have here a rectangle and I divided this one into 8 parts. So I took 2 parts from 8. So I write the fraction as 2/8 because I divided it into 8 parts. 2/8. After that, I took 3 parts. 1, 2. So this fraction called 3/8. I want to know what is the total number I took. I took from 8. At first I took 2 parts. After that I took 3. So what is the total number I took? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts from 8. And the total number I took 5. 5/8. So when I want to add 2/8 and 3/8, it will be, I have here the same denominator, and also here I have the same denominator. So in addition, if I have the same denominator, I write it as it. Here I have 8, so I write 8, and we will add the numerator. Here I have 2, and here also I have 3, so 2 plus 3 equal 5. Because I took 5 parts from the same rectangle. I take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in total from 8 parts. So I didn't change the denominator. I didn't. So the total number is 2 plus 3 equal 5, and we put the denominator as it. Here in the learner's book at page 55, write the date. The first question, notice each of the following shapes and complete. Here I have a rectangle and I divided it into 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At first I took 2 parts from 8. So I write it 2/8. Then I took 3/8. So I write the fraction. I need to know what is the total number I took. At first I took 2, then I took 3. So what is the total number I take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I took 5 from 8. So when I want to add, I look at the denominator. I have
مش بيغير الوقت.
Let's count how many parts we took. 1, 2, 3. We took 3 parts in total from 6 parts. So when I want to add it, I look at the denominator. Must have the same denominator. Here I have 6, and here also I have 6. So we write the denominator as it, 6. After that we add the numerator. 1 plus 2 equal 3. And I said that the total number is 3 from 6. Here, at first, I took one board. From how many boards? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 9 boards. After that, I took 4 from 9. So what is the total number I take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 from 9. So I have to look at the denominator. I have the same denominator, 9 and 9. So put it as it. After that, add the numerator. 1 plus 4 equals 5. So the total number I took 5 from 9. Here, question number 2. Add as an example. Here I have 3 over 5 plus 1/5. 3 over 5 plus 1 over 5. So what is the total number? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 from 5 boards. So I have here the same denominator. I'll put it as it. After that, I add the numerator. 3 plus 1 equals 4. So add this one. Letter A. I look at the denominator at first. I have here 7. And also here I have 7. So put it as it. 7. Then add the numerators. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Question number B. Look at the denominator. 9, 9, 9. Then add the numerators. 1 plus 7 equals 8. Here I have 4 and 4. So I put the denominator as at 4. Then add 1 plus 3 equals 4. And as we talked before that 4 over 4 means a whole. So 4 over 4 equals 1. Question number 3. Complete as an example. Here I have 2 over 9 and 5 over 9. 2 over 9 and 5 over 9 give me the total number or the whole number, the total. So, if I take the total and subtract from it any fraction, the answer will be the other one. If I take 7 over 9, I subtract it from it 5 over 9, the answer will be 2 over 9. If I have here this one, I subtract it, I'll divide it into 9 parts. At first, I take 2 from 9. So I have here 2 over 9. Then I'll take 5. So the total number equals same denominator, then add the numerator. 2 plus 5 equals 7. I took 7 from 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The total number is 7 over 9. The total number which I took. So if I take this one, 7 over 9, and subtract one of these fractions, like 5 over 9, the answer will be the other fraction, 2 over 9. Let's see. I have here 7 over 9. If I take this 7 and subtract it 5, the result will be 2. And also if I take this 7 and subtract it 2, the result will be 5. So 7 over 9 minus 2 over 9, the answer will be 5 over 9, the other fraction. Let's see here. 7 over 9 minus 2 over 9, the answer will be 5 over 9. And 7 over 9 minus 5 over 9, the result will be 2 over 9. So here, I have here 3 over 7 plus 1 over 7. Make an addition. Here I have 7 and 7, so put it as it, 7. And add the denominators. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4 over 7 is the total number, the whole number which I have. So I start from it and subtract one of these fractions. So right here 4 over 7. 4 over 7 minus 3 over 7 equal 1 over 7. It change this operation. Take 4 over 7 minus 1 over 7 and the answer will be 3 over 7. So write 4 over 7, we have to start with the total number, the greatest one. 4 over 7 minus 1 over 7, the answer will be 3 over 7. Here we have 2 over 5 plus 3 over 5. We put the denominator as it and add the numerators. 2 plus 3 equal 5. So 5 over 5 we know that. 5 over 5 equal 1. So if I take 1 and subtract from it 3 over 5, the answer will be 2 over 5. And also if I take 1 and subtract from it 2 over 5, the answer will be 3 over 5. So 1 minus 2 over 5, the answer will be, of course, 3 over 5. And here, if I take 1 and subtract from it 3 over 5, the answer will be 2 over 5. Page 56, write the date. Add 4 over 6 plus 1 over 6. What should I do? At first I have to look at the denominator. I must have the same denominators. Here I have 6 and here also I have 6. 6 and 6 I put it as it. So I put here 6. Then add the numerators. 4 plus 1 equal 5. So the answer is 5 sixes. Here 5 over 12 plus 3 over 12. I have the same denominator, so I put it 12. 5 plus 3 equal 8. Here, half and half. Here I have 2, and also here I have 2. 2 and 2, I put 2. 1 plus 1 equal 2. So 2 over 2, we know that is equal 1. 3 over 7 plus 1 over 7. We have here 7 and here also we have 7, so we put it as it and then add the numerators. 3 plus 1 equal 4. 9 and 9, put it as 9. 5 plus 4 equal 9 and 9 over 9 equals 1. Subtracting. How can we subtract fractions? The same as we did on addition, we will make also on subtracting. If I have here 7 over 9 minus 4 over 9, what should I do? At first I have to look at the denominator. I must have the same denominator also. Here I have 9 and also here I have 9. So I'll put it as it. Add the denominators also 9 and subtract the numerator. 7 minus 4, we have here 7, we will take 4, the result will be 3. So the answer is 3 over 9. What about if I have here 6 over 8 minus 5 over 8? We have the same denominator, so we put it as it 8. 6 minus 5 equal 1. I have here 1 minus 9 over 11. What should I do? Here I have a whole number. At first I must convert it into a fraction. So 1, look at the denominator because I must have the same denominator. So convert 1 into what? I have to convert 1 into a fraction with denominator 11. So how much here should I put over 11 to get 1? 11 over 11, of course we know. So 11 over 11 minus 9 over 11. Here, now we have the same denominator, 11. So we put it as it, 11. And 11 minus 9 equals 2. So the result is 2 over 11. Let's open page 56 and complete. Question number 5, subtract. Here we have 5 over 8 minus 3 over 8. It's the same denominator, we put it, 8. 5 minus 3 equal 2. Here we have 4 over 9 minus 2 over 9. 9 and 9, so we put it. 4 minus 9 equal, 4 minus 2, I'm sorry. 4 minus 2 equal 2. 3 over 11 minus 1 over 11. We'll put the denominator as it, 11. Then 3 minus 1 equal 2. Here we have 5 over 6 minus 4 over 6. We'll put the denominator as it, 6. Then 5 minus 4 equal 1. Here we have 4 over 5 minus 1 over 5. So we'll put the denominator as it, 5. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Here we have 1. 1 minus third. What should we do? We have here a whole number. We have to convert it into a fraction with the denominator 3. So which fraction with denominator 3 equals 1? Of course 3 over 3. So now we have the same denominator. We will put it as it. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Complete. Question number 6. Addition. 1 over 7 plus 4 over 7. We'll put the same denominator, 7, and add. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 1 minus half. What should I do? I have to convert 1 at first into a fraction with denominator 2. So write it as a 2 over 2. 2 minus 1 equals 1, and we put the denominator as it. What should we do here? At first, I know that when I make an addition or subtraction, I must have the same denominator. So of course the denominator here will be, yes, 4. And what is the total number which I subtracted 3 from it? The answer will be 1. Which number? What is the total number? If I subtract 3 from it, the answer will be 1. Yes, of course, 4. If I take 3 from 4, the answer will be 1. So 4 over 4. And also we can convert it into an addition operation. In any operation, if I want to get the total number or the whole number, I have to make an addition because the total number is the greatest one. If I want to get any number from the whole or the total number, I have to make an addition. So 3 plus 1 equals 4, and the denominator we put it as it. Here, 5 over 12 plus what over what equal 9 over 12. Of course we have 12 as the denominator. Then 5 plus what give me 9. Let's count from the smallest number to get the greatest number. After 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 5 plus 4. Here 5, so write 5 as the denominator. 3 minus 1 give me 2. 3 minus what give me 2. Take what from 3 to get 2. Of course, I'll take 1. Here, the denominator will be 3. Which number, if I add it to 1, the answer will be 2. 1 needs what to get 2? Of course, needs 1. Here, what is the fraction? Here I have 1. I have to convert 1 into a fraction with the denominator what? We have to we must have the same denominator, so I'll convert to 1 into a fraction with denominator 10. So 1 will be 10 over 10. So at first, I'll write the denominator 10. Which number, if I subtract 3, I'll get 10. I said before,